Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Bluedio H Plus Turbine. If you would like to see some more content like this, be sure to subscribe as that will mean a lot to me. Starting with the unboxing, we can see that there are some specifications on the sides which basically list the driver size of 57mm, which is pretty big for the size of these, Bluetooth 4.1, it also has an FM radio, a micro SD card slot, an aux input, and up to 40 hours of music playback. Opening the box, we have the headphones on top, and setting that aside we find the aux cable, the micro USB cable, and a happy or not happy card with emails as contacts. There is also a very useful manual which has a lot of different languages and all the modes that the headset features. Now taking a look at the headset itself, we can easily tell that it is all made out of plastic, which given its price point of €16, link below, is very acceptable. The hinge for retracting the headset is a bit stiff at first and does wobble around a bit. The headband is nice and comfortable, and although there isn't a lot of padding, it still feels great. The ear cups have very nice cushions which are very comfortable too. The aux port is located on the left ear cup, and once an aux cable is connected, it acts like a wired pair of headphones. There's also a trim of plastic around the ear cups, which look good and make them pop out a bit more. On the right ear cup you will find the micro USB slot for charging, the volume wheel or track changer, the on-off button, a micro SD card slot, a mode button, and a scan button for the FM mode. Unfortunately, the headset itself is very stiff and is not very flexible, unlike some other headphones. These will break if put under a lot of tension, but that is obvious for all headphones at this price point. Putting them on, you can tell that they do have a lot of tension on the ear cups, but after a bit of use, the tension will go away slowly. All the buttons are of easy reach within the right hand and can all be easily controlled. Now we will move on to an audio test, where first we will test the Bluetooth function, then the aux function, SD card function, and the FM radio function. The Bluetooth function does take some time to set up and was a bit tedious to connect to it after it was paired. Now we will move on to the aux test.
Power off.
And now we will move on to the SD card test. And this was very simple to do, as when you insert it, it plays automatically through all the music files. The FM radio test was done inside, so connection was limited. But something that I did find out while testing is that having it at high volumes resulted in it getting all noisy, so I suggest leaving them at around medium level loudness. In the test, the headset was put on full loudness, therefore it did not give a good result. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.